Morning everybody.
Morning.
We're on our way to go and pick up our caravan. Yay!
Because hopefully, finally, the grill's fixed on the oven.
So yes.
Now where are they going?
I don't know, but there is the Swift Basecamp caravan. So we've arrived. There she is. There she.
So what I'm going to do is...
There we are.
Right, we just came to collect our base camp, and it's all ticked off, all done, repaired hopefully, so we'll find out next weekend if it's all working well.
They've done the shower.
They've done the shower.
And that panel that was loose.
Yeah.
And we'd like to say Yorkshire Coast Caravans, once again, fantastic service. So a big
Brilliant
thumbs up from
service.
us. Brilliant.
Yes, totally recommend.
Staff really friendly and helpful.
Super friendly.
Now the problem is, every time I come here, we
buy something. We do.
So we've got a new gadget to show you on the next video.
So stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Here we go, the moment of truth.
Right. Oh, let's have a look. Right, that's come on straight away.
It's staying on.
Yes! We have a grill.
It's fixed.
Yes! Right, ultimate question. Right, does the oven still work? Yes, it does. Fantastic. Does that stay on? Yes, it does.
Oh, what a good job.
Beautiful.
Are you happy?
I am happy. I'm not happy at a few little scrapes at the side of my oven that I haven't done. But apart from that, yeah, I'm a happy bunny, to be fair. And I cleaned my oven, so because it was a bit filthy, a bit dusty and dirty. So let's have a look. Let's see if they fixed the shower. Because our shower came away from the wall. Personally, I think it was because of all the bumpy roads, because the amount of potholes we were hitting at one point was just ridiculous.
Well, it was doing wind, wasn't it?
But yeah, it was also obviously wind as well. So basically the bracket just came away from the wall. So let's have a look and see if that's fixed.
Okay, so the shower.
The shower. Let's have a look. Sturdy.
New bracket on by the look of it.
Yep. So.
Oh, happy with that.
Yes.
Happy with that. And then there was just a
backboard.
A backboard down there. So.
But we will show you at the weekend when we meet up with a load of other YouTubers. Right, so we were going to have a look at the board, but we can do that on the weekend when we meet up with our fellow YouTubers.
And subscribers.
Yeah. So let's have a really good weekend to come.
So just a short video, folks, on the warranty work we've had carried out.
Yeah, really
we've
good.
Grill sorted, we've had the shower sorted.
And hopefully had the board sorted. We'll
sorted.
find that out.
So thank you very much for watching.
Yes, and please feel free to subscribe. It is free.
We will be doing a review after 6 months of ownership and using of the Swift Basecamp too, because we've used this both now in the summer and during the winter, and the coldest night we had was -5, I think it was.
-4.
-4, so it's sort of guaranteed to -5, isn't it?
Yeah.
And we had a comfortable night with no issues.
Yeah, heating was absolutely spot on perfect. So we fixed the cold awning issue with the heating device that we bought. So jobs are good.
Jobs are good. So see you next time. Please subscribe. It's absolutely free. Please give us a thumbs up. It really helps us with the videos. And thank you very much for watching. Bye.